Hey, welcome to Cobb Tool, the authority on power tools. My name is Aaron, and today we're going to take a quick look at the ultimate corded combo kit from Dremel. Our friends at Home Depot sent this over to us, and we're going to just kind of give you a quick overview of these tools. This kit comes with 3 tools. The first is the most popular, most common rotary tool. This is the 3000. This is one that everybody's going to grab for those small little jobs around the house. Even pros will have these for little jobs too. Routing out grout is especially good for that. I've done that many times. And you got to watch a little bit with the accessories from other manufacturers to make sure they actually work in these. But all of the Dremel accessories and attachments will work in most other manufacturers' tools. The next one here is the MM30 oscillating tool. Really great sanding, cutting tool, multi-speed, very easy to use. The third tool here is the Saw Max. This is probably the least common tool, but it is going to be useful for very specific applications. It's basically a small grinder, and it's good for just cutting and grinding things down. These 2 tools, the 3000 and the MM30, both have variable speed, and they both have a pretty easy to use locking system that allows you to change the bits in and out pretty quickly. This one's got a nice little wrench that you pull off there. So they've done some pretty cool things here. Some of the older models have a different quick release thing, so you might have to get used to that a little bit, but all fairly easy to take attachments on and off with. This combo makes a great gift. These are tools that if you have, you're going to reach for regularly for all kinds of different things. So for whatever occasion, this is a good one to have in your arsenal for a pro or for a homeowner. You can grab this combo kit for $229 over at Home Depot. And of course, that's only half the story. So head on over to cobbtool.com for the rest of it. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. We'll see you then.